welcome to Mashuk's Toys Review.
Hey guys, welcome to Mashuk's Toys Review. And today we are reviewing this car. And you remember I opened this car from my uncle. Gift that he gave to me. Do you remember? Click in the I button to see that. It's right there. It will come right there. Well, I will reviewing. Okay, so let's get to this car. Okay? This car can go so fast and it can open doors, those things. If you press this logo, you see this logo with the golden things right up. If you press that, the doors will open. Like that. This car name is XF. Can you see here? XF. And this car ages is 6+. Okay, now let's unbox this toy. Before I unbox, you can see the model number right here. Okay, let's unbox this car. I need a kind of knife thing. Maybe not. Oh, this has no tape, right? How? First, when I showed you this tape, there was so many tape there, like Spider-Man's web. Let's get to this car. This car thing is. This looks like a Lamborghini. Like this one. Look at this one. This just looks like the old car. And you remember the doors open. This car door open like this. And the old car's door open like this. It goes up like that. And this door has up. It's up, okay? Now let's just get back to this car thingy. Whoa. This looks realistic. I need to read the instructions so I don't have to put it in the trash can. Just put it right here. And now, let's open this car. And also the remote. How we will drive the car without the remote. I know how to drive this car with a remote. Whoa. I can't get it up. So, there's some screws down here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's going down. Yay! What will happen to the remote? Like this or like this? Oh, whoa. There's some screw. There's one screw here. This looks different. Look at this and this. It looks different, so much cooler than the car's screws. The remote looks cooler. Can I throw this in the trash can? Maybe not. When I'm done reviewing, I can give it to my brother. He can play with anything. Okay, I'll put it just here. Right over the instructions. This is the on-off button. It says on. Now it's on, now it's off. On, okay. Oh, It doesn't have batteries. Yup. It doesn't have batteries, I guess. Okay, so I'll just charge it. Maybe there's the USB cable here somewhere. Oh, hurry. Yo, I don't have nails. I cut my nails every day. I opened it. I see the USB cable. Whoa, I've never seen that. But we need a charger. Give me the charger, guys. Throw it. How did the hand come out of the camera? I don't know. But let's get back to this car. Okay. We have to put this cable in the hole. This white hole looks scary a little bit, but nobody will fit in there. But the cable can put his head in there. Look, it looks like two eyes. Chargy boo boo. Did I did the wrong side or something? We have to put this in. I forgot the name. We have to put this in the charging socket. Okay? Socket sounds more like soccer ball. Okay. When we'll put this cable in the charging socket, the LED will blink. Okay, it looks like Blinky and it's named like Blinky. It's creepy, guys. You know Blinky from Pac-Man? I love that game. Like, like that. Look, the remote is so cool and the car is charged. So, now let's pass the car and just get in the remote and talk to it. Okay, the remote looks like a steering wheel, right? Yeah. And this, if you put this thumb in this button, if you press the button, both doors will open, not one. The both. Okay? So this goes straight and this goes back, and this is front left, this is right. Yeah, like that. Okay, it's charged. Maybe we need batteries. Okay, guys, give me the battery. Get 2 batteries. I thought there was more. Okay. May I put the 2 batteries here? Oh, I just need to open this. It's so hard. Wait, it's not hard anymore? Oh, I remember. I made super strength with my magic in that video. But I don't need to do any magic. I'm tired of doing magic stuff. Okay, now let's put 2 batteries inside. Let's see how this car moves. Now, okay, boom. Look, I'll open the doors by pressing this button. Yeah. It's not on. Okay. Off to on. Okay. Ta-da! sounds like a robot. Does it sound like a robot talking to me? Whoa. Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh, sorry. Okay, this car didn't break, and this car is very hard. It has too many protections, maybe. Okay, look. Open, close, open, close. I like open, close. Did you hear that? That really sounds like a robot. Look, I'll hide this behind. And now look. It's like I'm a robot. I'm like a robot. Okay, so let's see how this car moves in the ground. Okay, a little bit. Ooh, the light blinks. There's some light blinking when you're just, doing the vroom vroom driving. Okay, look. You see light? Maybe it's better than my headlight. Okay, the headlight looks cool. Now let's see how this car moves in the ground. Guys, it looked so great and I loved it. Okay, guys, bye. I'll eat you.
Please subscribe our channel, Mashuk's Toys Review, and ring the bell icon.